Now let's come back over here to our PC, and we're going to see in our downloads folder that we now have the things we need. We have our VirtualBox installer, we have the extension pack, and we have the Ubuntu ISO. Now we want to go ahead and install this VirtualBox, so let's go up here and double click the executable, and let's run that installer. And now we need to click down here and see what's going on, and you'll see an error telling us that we need to have the Microsoft Visual C++ 2019. Now, you may not get this error, and if not, you can proceed with installation, but on Windows 11, I've found that we often get this error, so I wanted to go ahead and show it in this video. So it's not hard to take care of. Let's open up Google Chrome, and we're going to search for that here. Just enter in the 2019 Visual Studio, or Visual C++, and you'll see here the latest supported Visual C. Click on that, and we want to go down and choose the 2019, and let's click on that first link there. And now we're going to see some other options. Let's scroll down here, and you can see the different systems there. I'm using an x64 system, so I'm going to click on that one. That's probably going to be true for you, and you can see the download up here, and it's not going to take very long at all. So let's just wait for that to finish downloading. And now we can go down here to open that up, and we want to install that. So let's scroll down, and you can read through these terms and agree to these terms if you choose to do so. So just check the box, and we can install that. And we're going to see down here that that is successfully installed. Should be, yes, setup successful. So now we can go ahead and install our VirtualBox. So let's run that again, and this time we should not get the error. And we'll step through this wizard to install VirtualBox, which is the hypervisor we're going to be using. So we'll just click Next. And here's some more terms, and you need to read through those terms, and we'll scroll down here and accept those terms if you choose to do so, and click Next, and yes, and yes, and next. We'll just click through, accept the defaults. This is telling us we're going to create an enter and start menu, etc. So we'll click Install, and that will begin installing, and it will not take long. And this will now show this completed and give us the option to go ahead and open VirtualBox, and we'll leave that checked and click Finish. And our VirtualBox will now be installed on our system. So see, that's not very difficult to install, but now we need to do something else. We need to, remember we had that extension pack in addition to the VirtualBox installer, and we need to go ahead and install that extension pack, and what this is going to do is give us some more features. So we'll double click on that, and you can go through and read that and click Install. And here's some more terms, and we would read through those terms and agree to them if you so choose. If you choose to do so, and click Agree. And now we have our VirtualBox installed, and we have our extension pack, and we're now ready to proceed to create our virtual machine. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.